Okay, now let's talk about the very interesting stuff, antioxidants. What about antioxidants in the coffee? So several studies have looked into how drinking coffee affects the antioxidant activity in our body. When people drank coffee instead of water, their plasma showed a significant increase in antioxidant power. So one thing, this doesn't mean that coffee can replace water. This also doesn't mean that coffee itself is packed with antioxidants. No, but rather that certain compounds in coffee might help boost our body's natural defense against damage, oxidative damage caused by harmful molecules. So for example, after drinking coffee daily for a couple of weeks, researchers found increased levels of glutathione, which is very important antioxidant. Similar results were seen after people drank 5 cups of coffee every day for a week. So another study found that drinking unfiltered coffee led to slight increase in the activity of an enzyme called GST, glutathione S transferase. This is also very important, potent antioxidant enzyme which stays in our body, which helps protect cells from oxidative damage. So, however, more research is still needed to fully understand how coffee affects our antioxidant systems and how it might impact our health in long run. Let's briefly talk about all the important ingredients present in the coffee. Alright, let's break it down, the science behind coffee melanoidins. This is very important if you want to know about the fiber content of coffee and great food for your gut bacteria. Coffee contains something called melanoidins, so which are produced during the roasting process. So now, these melanoidins are not exactly dietary fibers like we get it in our vegetables, right, and fruits, but they act like fibers in our body. Think of it like this. For example, when you eat your vegetables, the fiber helps keep your gut healthy, right? So well, melanoidins from coffee might also do something similar. So they can help our bodies fight off bad stuff like harmful bacteria, and they might even help prevent diseases like cavities and gum problems. Let's talk about diterpenes. This is very interesting. You know, when you take a sip of coffee and it's a kind of bitter, that's because of these guys. So these are called diterpenes. So they can help your body to fight against oxidative stress. Even though these diterpenes might make your coffee taste a bit bitter, they could also be like little champs in your body, so helping keep you healthy and cool, right? So let's talk about other chemical compounds that present in the coffee. Trigonelline is like a special ingredient in your coffee. It's found in green coffee beans, and when those beans get roasted, trigonelline turns into other helpful stuff like nicotinic acid. So it can help keep your blood sugar levels in check. Yes, protect your brain cells and even fight off bad bacteria. So there's even some evidence that it might help protect against certain types of cancer. So now let's discuss about the most well-known ingredient of the coffee, that is caffeine. It's what makes your morning cup of coffee give you that extra boost of energy, that is caffeine. But did you know that caffeine is found in other things also, like tea and chocolate? Caffeine is like a tiny molecule that's really good at getting into your body. Yeah, it goes into your body very fast. So once you drink your coffee, the caffeine is everywhere in your body tissues. Within just an hour, your body has absorbed most of the caffeine that you drank, and it can stick around for up to 5 hours in your body. So now, here is where it gets interesting. Caffeine blocks something called adenosine. You should know about adenosine. Adenosine is a natural compound that your body produces throughout the day as your brain and body uses energy. So it's like a little messenger that tells your body when it's time to slow down and rest. So when adenosine levels in your brain goes up, it signals to your body that you are getting tired and you need a rest. You need to sleep. So the structure of caffeine is also looks similar to adenosine. So when you drink coffee or consume caffeine in any form, it hops into your bloodstream and makes it a way to your brain. So once it reaches your brain, so caffeine starts to work its magic by latching into adenosine receptors. So it blocks the adenosine work. So but there is the twist. Instead of telling your body to slow down like adenosine does, caffeine blocks those receptors, adenosine receptors, and stops adenosine from doing its own job. So essentially, caffeine tricks your brain into thinking it's not tired.